Discover the amazing benefits of tea for cold and cough relief. Ginger tea has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, soothing throat irritation and reducing congestion effectively. Chamomile tea provides calming effects, promoting better sleep and helping the body recover from colds. Peppermint tea opens up nasal passages, easing breathing and relieving sinus pressure during colds. Adding honey to any tea enhances its soothing properties and provides natural sweetness for better taste. Lemon juice boosts vitamin C content, further supporting your immune system and fighting off infections. Subscribe for more natural remedies and health tips.